Hey everyone, welcome to my new course on Tableau. So Tableau is world's leading provider of business intelligence tools. It is capable of ingesting data from a wide variety of sources and create an interesting dashboards in a matter of minutes just by using drag and drop. So why Tableau in particular? So as you know, as more and more businesses are moving online, the data is exploding. The amount of data that's available today is far more than the data was available 2 years ago, and also the rate at which it's increasing, it is almost appears like an explosion. For example, data in 2020 is 75 times that of data in 2011 as per the IDC 2011 estimates. Also, every enterprise stores data in a wide variety of sources like SQL Server, Oracle database, Excel sheets, Hadoop, JSON, etc. Right? And we need to collate the data from all these sources and make some sense out of it. And Tableau is a perfect tool for that. So here is a Tableau I have opened on my machine. As you can see on the left, you can explore or ingest data from Microsoft Excel or a plain text file, JSON file, PDF files, spatial files, statistical file, and a lot more. You could also connect to Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, Amazon Redshift, and a lot more databases. And you can establish a live connection and start ingesting the data. Now, once you ingest the data, the possibility are immense, right? For example, you can just connect to a Excel sheet, and once you connect to an Excel sheet, it immediately imports the data. Here is an example of an import operation where I'm importing data from an Excel sheet that is of 50,000 rows, and that just creates the data in minutes. Then by using simple drag and drop, I can create data, like for example, what is my category sales for e-commerce data sale in various years just from the Excel sheet. I could also create a category sales data. Okay, so I can create a basic data that can give me by using drag and drop, just that give me how my sales are trending for each category for each quarter of the month. I could also create basically this tree map where the strength of each rectangle and the color it's showing me what is the relative sales in each category. I could also create a line chart that basically shows me the sales for various categories and how it's trending month over month. And I can create a dashboards where I can combine all of these charts that are appearing along with an image and make them connect with each other just by selecting data from one source, and it's automatically reflecting on the other source, and then you can present it to your team that shows the various, and you can explain the various insights that you derive from the data, and the leadership will be very happy once they see what the amount of data that you are bringing in, the amount of insights you are generating, and this is really helping you making a data-driven decisions. And data-driven decisions are very important in today's world, because that's how businesses are growing tremendously. Like companies like Amazon, Walmart, Facebook, Google, all of them take data very, very seriously, and their growth entirely depends on their insights into this data. And Tableau is a perfect tool for generating insights in a matter of minutes. So in this particular course, we will cover the following topics. We will start with ingesting data from an Excel sheet. We will make a live connection to the Excel sheet of an e-commerce orders data that is spanning about 51,000 rows. Then we will generate various tables and do filtering and sorting on it. We will understand the difference between dimensions and measures. Then we will also study about how to join the multiple tables and perform joins like left out left join, right join, left outer join, and things like that. We will also learn how to visualize the data with pie charts, tree maps, bar charts, line chart, maps, and many more charts. Then we will also learn about how to group the data to form a particular group. Then we will also apply set theory and learn concepts like unions, intersections, and how can we use that in our data to get more insights. Then we will also learn about how to create the dashboards where you can plug in the charts from the various data tabs and then use one chart as a filter for other charts on the dashboard, and that's the one you can share with your leadership team and offer key insights.